Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to clean your motorcycle chain. This is going to be for complete beginners or if you've never done it before. Super easy to follow along. These are going to be very simple steps and not a lot of things you need. So let's just get right into it. You're going to want these things right here. Any chain cleaner, you can look at that brand and get it if you will. Maxima Racing Oils, that's what I've been using. And then some chain lube as well. I would also get a brush for the chain. That's going to obviously right there fit over your chain and brush it, and then grab a bunch of towels. Another thing I would have is gloves because your hands are going to get a little bit greasy. And then grab yourself some cardboard or some bags, whatever you want to do to throw under the bike because it will drip a little bit. With that being said, let's get right into it. Also, one thing I want to mention, make sure your bike is in neutral and your wheel is spinning. Okay guys, so here we are. You're looking at your chain and we're all set up by the bike. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your chain cleaner. We're going to go around, and this is going to be a new way that I found to do it. It's going to be really quick and not that difficult. Be spraying down right here, that angle, and I'm just going to kind of be spinning this tire with the chain cleaner again. Just like that. So now chain cleaner is all on that chain. Now put a little bit more on. Okay. Now you have it all on your chain. That might have even overdone it, but now you're going to want to go with your brush, right? Just spin your tire like that. And try, guys, try the most you can not to get on your tire because that is how accidents happen. But then just go like this. You're going to want to have your brush obviously on the chain, go on the top, go on the bottom, spin that tire. The goal here obviously is to be getting her clean, getting any of that residue off, any of that gunk. Okay, after you've done this for a couple rotations on the top and on the bottom, grab yourself a towel, kind of go through, wipe off any excess you see starting to puddle up. I'll go around, maybe spin the chain around once, get all this excess stuff kind of off of it. See how much is coming off there. Hold on that chain to spin that tire. See, you're getting a bunch more coming off of it. Okay, now after you've done that a couple times, you can call it good. And then we're going to come through with our chain lube and just spray it on there. Just going to spray and move this. Try and focus on these two joints in between there. There's one here and one on that side. I'm going to focus on the one closest to me first, but focus on the one a little further away. Okay. Now after you feel like you've kind of gotten the whole chain, I would use your towel again, kind of wipe up any excess that's dripping. See, you have all this stuff. There's stuff dripping down here. I would just go on your chain. You want to just make sure there's not, don't grab it, just kind of dab at it. Make sure there's not like a lot of excess on it. And then come over here, right, to your sprocket right here. You can see how, especially right here, guys, I don't know how well you can see that, but especially right in here, it's a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna get some of this chain cleaner, spray it on there, kind of hold it on there, and get a clean spot. You have to rotate it just to kind of clean that up, you know, and it'll start looking better. There you go. It's looking a lot better for sure. Look at this spot here, though. You're gonna get some drip. Make sure to clean all that drip up. You can see down here is what we're left with. And honestly, guys, I might overdo it a little bit, but that is going to be the easiest way to clean your chain. The one thing I will say is with that, you're kind of going to be going fast. You're going to get some residue left on the tire, and that's not good at all. You see that there? That is not good whatsoever. You're going to want to make sure to clean that off. I'm just going to be using some soap, so I'm going to scrub it down with just some water and dish soap, and then make sure it dries. In here, I just have a little scrubber and some water and dish soap. Just come on here, right? Get a little bit of it. Just kind of scrub that grease away and work your way around the tire. Spray it down and get all that off. Wipe down that tire. You are all good to go. But yeah, guys, check that chain out now. Very clean, as you can tell, all on there. And let's get a spin test. Spins a good amount better than before. So if that helped you guys, please subscribe, drop a like. Very easy to follow video on how to clean your chain. I didn't know how to do it when I first Well, when I didn't know how to do it, I didn't know how to do it, and now I know how to do it, and I'm sharing it with you guys. Again, I wouldn't even stress doing this every 500 miles. You kind of just gotta do it when you think, but I would do it around 500. Also, when you're here, check your chain tension. It tells you how to do it right here. I'll also do a video on that, but it's safe to do when you're kind of doing your chain, because you might as well, right? You might as well check your chain tension. Hopefully that helped. If it did, wouldn't mind dropping a subscriber like. Really appreciate that. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace.